Let's take a look at what we will be expecting for the day on our AUDUSD. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates, you will not miss out on those updates. Now, this is the prediction we did yesterday on AUDUSD. To those that actually will following this channel, yes, you follow the channel, that you follow the prediction we did yesterday, right? You see that we predicted a sell, right? We said that AUDUSD will give us a bearish move for the day, and AUDUSD eventually gave us that bearish move. So this is to tell you that 90% of our analysis is absolutely. So if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you subscribe so that you will not miss out on more quality updates. Now let's start with the trend on our AUDUSD. So this is a sell, right? Here comes the pullback, which is a lower high. Market was able to drop to form a new lower low. This is the lower high. Market drop, right? Now market was able to pull back. Market eventually dropped 1 more time to form a new low that took out of this previous low. Now here comes the lower high. Market eventually dropped 1 more time to form a new lower low. So a lower high is currently playing out. So once this lower high plays out finish, we should expect the market to drop 1 more time to form a new lower low, thereby taking out this low. So guys, we should expect market to give us this pullback finish. So a pullback is currently playing out. So expect it to pull back finish. Probably, or maybe you should pull back to tap the 10 period simple moving average here. So once it taps the 10 period simple moving average, then we can now expect market to drop 1 more time to form a new low, thereby taking out this low for the day.